We have already created this report to show members and their loans of videos, but we want to improve the report and also add some extra features. So we open the report and click on Home, and then go to View and Design View, and that will allow us to see the report. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to have a look at this. We can see that member number matches this one, but title matches this one down here, and these two don't match at all. So what we're going to do first is, because we moved surname and first name from here, we're going to actually get rid of those because we think they're pretty obvious anyway. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a bit more space in the member number header area, and we're going to actually move this one so that it's now over the top of the title, and the tape number so that it's over the top of the tape number. Now you notice it's not big enough, so we can just stretch it. And the same with the date of the loan, we move that over the top of date of the loan and stretch it so we can have the whole heading show. Now you'll notice that I've pulled this down to make a bit of space, and you possibly wonder why. Well, the reason why is because we actually want to, if I can get this to behave itself, is to move these three fields down as well. And the reason you want to do that is so that we can move this down, and we can get rid of member number, and then we can actually put this on the top of each page rather than just once on the top of the report. And then there's report header that goes onto the first part of the report we can get rid of altogether. Okay, now we're starting to format this report a little better. We can probably move this up a bit, and we just move this title down a little bit to match where the other ones sit. Now I'm going to move all of these up a little bit, and we'll get rid of any extra space because we don't want any extra space in the report that we don't actually need. Now the other thing that's missing is our cost. For some reason that didn't come on here, so we're going to have to put on the cost field. To do that, we need to put in a text box. So we go to the report design tools, and under the design area we're looking for a text box. We don't need a label because that's just a heading. We need a text box which is able to hold contents of a field. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw out the text box with the others here. And you'll notice that there's two parts of this: the unbound, which is the part will hold the field, and also this part, which is the label. Now at the moment we want this to come up here. The way we can do that is to go to the arrange part of it and put it in tabular form. If we do that, suddenly this becomes on top of this, but it is linked, it is locked, so each time we try to move one, the other one will move as well. We don't want that, we want them to be independent. So to get rid of that fixed or locked property, we can click on remove layout. Now they're independent. Now what we can do is drag this. We can drag this one by itself, as we just done. Now we'll save that.